Everyone, Amanda here, and I have our winners selected for the 1000 subscriber hop. Thank you very much to everybody that participated and made videos. It was just, I had a ball. So unfortunately off camera, I thought I had pressed record, but it didn't take. I did a random number generator with all of the number of comments from all of the channels that did videos, and so I knew I needed numbers between 1 and 744, so I did that 3 times, and then I'm going to do a bonus one here after 3 picks. That's why I held up 3 fingers. So on Galaxy Girl Creations, she's going to also have a winner, and that winner is Shelley C. So if you know any of these gals, Angela Moore, Cathy, Sito, I know Kim Ferguson, or Shelley C., please have them contact me either through Facebook or through craftingwithamanda@gmail. Then we can get a prize out to them. Thank you. And I'll have information in the description for how they can contact me. Thanks.